Hey guys, it's Chris over here at AceVacuums. I'm back from vacation. Thank you guys for all the support and stuff and likes and everything like that while I was gone and still coming in to see us. Just want to let you guys know we're back. It's kind of a beautiful but cold day out here in Leesburg, Virginia. So we're just doing some new stuff that we got coming up, gearing up for the end of this month. We're doing some money off on all of our Riccar purchases. If you get a Riccar, you can get some free services with it. We have a lot of different deals on all of our vacuums, from our Milas to our from Mila to Simplicity to Riccar to Titan. So if you're in the market for a really good vacuum, we have just a selection for you. I would let you guys know that these are 30s, which is this blue one here. This thing is absolutely amazing. It's one of Riccar's best vacuums. It has a Tandem Air, which helps pick up better than any other upright in the world. It has excellent filtration, so if you have really bad allergies, asthma, or respiratory issues, this thing will filter and get the dirt out of the home. It has lights on the front, LED lights, a nice exhaust filter, a long-reaching hose, which is one of the longest ones in the industry. So if you have steps, this vacuum is going to work amazing for you. It allows you to do carpet, hardwood floors. This has a lifetime belt on it. You're never going to break a belt. It has a sensor in there that if something gets sucked up in there or jammed in there, it will shut it down completely to help protect the motor as well as the belts and not break those. This is a pound for pound one of the best uprights that you could buy. So if you have a lot of animals in your home, if you have a lot of carpet in your house, if you suffer with seasonal and all the time allergies, this is the vacuum for you. Look it up. The R30 Deluxe or the R30 Pet is a brilliant, amazing vacuum. Stop by our store. We can give you guys a free demo on this vacuum. If you guys have questions, just let us know. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like us on Facebook, Instagram, as well as TikTok and YouTube. We hope you guys continue watching our videos. And if there's anything you guys want to see, let us know. And if not, other than that, you guys have a great day. Thanks.